So I'm making this butcher block cutting board as a housewarming gift for a good friend of mine. I really like this gradient look, it looks nice, but more importantly it evokes a really interesting notion in Islamic mystic philosophy. In the 12th century, Shihab Suhrawardi proposed a conception of creation that was centered on descending lights. To him, all of existence is understood to be a result of a series of emanating lights from a pure immaterial light down to the realm of bodies that we inhabit. This illuminationist or ishraqi philosophy was meant to offer an explanation for how the multiplicity of creation can come from the unicity of the Creator. Muslim art has always evoked aspects of theology and philosophy, even in seemingly unrelated works. So I figured a subtle nod to the great Persian mystic can work in a simple cutting board.